Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data packs in Minecraft Java. Data packs are fantastic tools that allow you to customize your game experience, adding new recipes, advancements, or even custom dimensions. First, you'll need to find a data pack. Head to reputable Minecraft community websites or forums. Always double-check that the data pack is compatible with your specific Minecraft Java version to avoid any issues during installation. Installing a data pack in a brand new world is quite straightforward. When creating a new single-player world, click on the Data Packs button. This will open a folder where you can drag and drop your downloaded data pack file. Once it appears in the Available section, simply click the arrow to move it to Selected. Confirm your choices, and then create your new world with the data pack active. To add a data pack to an existing world, you'll need to access your Minecraft Saves folder. Locate the specific world folder you wish to modify, then open its data pack subfolder. Drag and drop your downloaded data pack directly into this directory. After placing the file, launch your game, enter the world, and use the in-game command /datapack enable pack name to activate it. Remember to replace pack name with your data pack's actual file name. Managing your data packs is simple with a few in-game commands. To see all active data packs, type /datapack list in the chat. If you need to disable one, use /datapack disable pack name. After adding, removing, or changing data packs, always use the /reload command to apply the changes without restarting your game. If you encounter problems, check your game's output log for error messages. It often provides valuable clues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.